Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on my daily vlog. First and foremost, happy Labor Day to everyone. And if you're a student, it sucks because you're going back to school. But today I'm not going to be going to like any restaurants. Today we're going to eat some great ass home cooked Cambodian food. I'm about to go into my uncle's house over here. We're about to, just have a good time, all right? Let's go. We got some homemade curry in here. It looks delicious. We have the master chef here, Ming Mek. Ming Mek, say hello.
Hi, hello.
Oh my God.
We have different curry. These are with vegetable. These only meat.
So this is the meat curry?
Yeah, meat curry.
This is
These
the veggie.
these are vegetable with meat. Here.
Did you made this curry right here?
Yes.
Okay. The master chef here, Ming D. Make sure you follow her. She doesn't have a page yet. She's the cook of the family. She made curry.
Yeah, she's the main cook.
She's the main cook of the family. I would ask her for ingredients, but she never tells me. So Ming D, tell me what you put in here, Ming D.
Huh?
Exactly, that's the answer I always get. I'm like, how do you make this? Like, secret, you got chicken feet in here.
Yeah, chicken feet.
Lemongrass.
Chicken drumstick. That's them too. And we have carrot.
And we're gonna have the sweet rice with the durian sauce.
Sweet rice with the durian sauce?
Yeah, durian sauce.
That sounds
No,
good.
not in here, okay? Not in the
Not
soup.
in here.
Oh, on a different dish.
Yeah, different.
How many dishes we gonna have today? We have 2 versions of curry.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have
They have the spring roll.
spring roll. Summer roll.
Summer roll, yeah, called summer
I'm gonna make spring roll.
We'll make,
Are
we making spring rolls or summer rolls. Spring rolls are the ones that's fried. We're gonna make summer rolls. I'm gonna eat some of this curry though. I should have showed you how my wife made my plate, but she already made it. So, ooh, we got the noodles here. We got chicken feet in here. That is off the hook. Man, what do you think?
Yeah, this is amazing.
This is amazing.
Good. Jenna,
This is delicious. Wow. Y'all know I make curry too. One of the first videos I made was how to make curry, but I don't know how to make it like this. So good. This curry is amazing, y'all. This curry is amazing. The bread. Chicken feet. I'm gonna have to go back for seconds.
He didn't want you to talk to him.
My curry cannot compare to this.
Nobody can.
She's never gonna release her secret ingredient.
The secret ingredient
Never.
is quite yum.
This is like the best of both worlds. You have the noodles and you have the bread.
Chưa gặp bé từng riêng ai từng ná ngay cũng bay nó cua làm từ đó là một kia.
This is the bread right here. This is the bread that you must buy to eat with the curry.
Yeah.
This is the one. This is a baguette.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can toast it up. You toast it, it tastes really good too.
Yeah, baguette right.
I don't need to toast it. Don't you just love eating curry and doing this?
Ôn nạp đi tao nào chứ?
The sounds of a Cambodian party.
មានបន្លែកសក់ឲ្យជីយើងហើយមកឲ្យសាឡាយកទៅតាមបាន
Ô là cái baguette. Chẳng ai baguette chẳng ai.
Baguette. I didn't bring my camera. That's why I'm shooting this on my iPhone. What's your favorite food again?
Món spay Khmer.
Why?
Because you have a good vegetable and I don't know what to describe, but she know how to cook. She can tell you what it is.
Is it the flavor that you like? Or
Yeah, the flavor. Wow.
Oh, wedding food, huh? Fancy.
Yeah.
What was your favorite dish growing up as a kid in Cambodia?
Favorite dish that I like?
Yeah.
Summer roll. This summer roll.
You're just saying that because you're making summer roll.
No, because I like summer roll.
As a kid growing up, that was your favorite dish?
Yes. I like something with the fish sauce. Every dish that have a fish sauce could be manchao, could be this, anything with fish sauce and vegetable.
Yeah, what was your favorite dish growing up in Cambodia?
I'm not picky.
Eat everything.
I eat everything. Everything is all the same.
Why the hell you don't eat anything?
Make sure it's not salty. That's all.
A dish you can eat every day.
I love all the food actually.
What's your favorite dish Mindy makes?
Favorite curry and cái gì à?
Tiêu.
Câu.
That's my favorite too. Favorite food growing up as a kid?
Overall, nothing. Just cook for everybody.
Dad, what's your favorite food growing up?
On chị em thôi chú.
Gram tại cừu.
Daddy only like sạch cọ, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, sạch
That's
cọ.
so basic.
Yeah, that's a favorite food.
What's your favorite food growing up when you were a kid?
Vegetable.
Just vegetable.
Yes, summer roll.
How about you, baby? How about you?
How you baby?
What's your favorite?
Winter.
Bỏ hấp. Bỏ hấp đấy.
Why you hiding?
I told you about how you say me. When you ready, let me know. I'm like ready. Nhưng mà thơ là chất bẹ cái đá bạn mới say show up.
No. Mindy was like, buy the ingredients, drop it off at 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Come back at 10 o'clock. I come back at 10 o'clock, she's like, it's done.
That's not teaching, that's doing. For the pass the, what do you call, pass the baton, you have to show.
Keep the culture alive.
Yeah.
Teach someone that wants to learn. How come your kids don't want to learn?
Yeah.
Because they're lazy.
Lazy.
Tell your story about coming to this country. What's your first job?
Oh my God.
โอเค
I work as a bus boy. That's my first job.
các anh bạn
And that's how I learned my English.
nó bao cao
Tell your story about coming to this country. What's your first job?
Oh my God.
โอเค
I work as a bus boy. That's my first job.
các anh bạn
And that's how I learned my English.
nó bao cao hơn nha
You ran into a lot of athletes, right? Professional?
Yeah. Professional, very cheap.
Who's the cheapest?
bạn đánh ba từ cái buổi là
The guy, the Ram, running back.
sai chốt ở ngang miếng này
What is his name?
The Rams?
Old timer.
The Rams.
I was like $800 check. He give me $1 tip. $1. You remember him?
Off what, the LA Rams?
Yeah.
No.
Name some.
liên cả
Eric Dick.
Oh, Eric Dickerson? Is that right?
Probably.
I think so.
He's a Ram.
He's the Rams.
Yeah.
Cheap. So tell them a story about me and food.
No, we don't know where to get meal. We stuck in the when we transfer back from the airport.
They put us in the whole house.
The house.
Rotten house. Leaking roof. We have
Our
no
sponsor,
mattress,
Yeah.
no pillow, no blanket.
We don't speak English.
Don't speak English. So when you get hungry, we have to get hot water and sugar in it, shake and let you drink it.
chào này thật anh
Did I like it?
Yeah.
You have no choice. But look like your face like you like it that time.
Is that why I have high cholesterol?
No,
còn như thật
my high blood pressure.
My.
My,
Make, what is this, name, man?
this sweet rice with the durian sauce, and I have sauce here. This sauce still hot. This need to cool down a little bit so taste better. Sweet rice first. This sweet rice.
I'm about to try this sweet rice and durian sauce. I'm not really a durian guy though. I don't really like durian like that.
Yeah, whole plate, okay?
Durian smells like butt.
Yeah, true.
Let's try it out. Sweet rice and durian sauce.
White color.
That's really good. That's good. That's really good. You get that smoothness of the durian, then you have that rice. That's a sweet treat right there. I like it. Yeah, so right now I'm not really experiencing it the right way. I'm saying if I eat it with the rice being hot and the sauce cold, that's what I mean. You have to have the sauce cold. No. Oh, okay. So it's opposite. So the rice has to be cold.
Sauce cold is good for sweet rice. But now we need to eat rice.
So I don't even like durian, but this is delicious. This is really good. Well, this is like actually changing my outlook on durian, honestly. I used to never like durian because it stinks so much.
Very interesting, right?
This is so good.
Lần nữa. Đây thì mấy ở lại.
Like it just doesn't have like the durian smell, but it has the taste in it. And I'm starting to actually appreciate the taste of it. It's like smooth, creamy, very aromatic, but in a good way. So good. You still have some of that durian like flesh on there. See that, the skin? This may be my new favorite treat right here. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up as well. I didn't plan on shooting today. It was last minute. That's why I'm filming with my phone right now. It's so good. But I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna have the wife taste this because it's off the hook.
ជុំគ្នារីលេសប្បាយចិត្តជួបឲ្យសិនចូលចិត្តកុំឲ្យមកសាយយើងតាមភ្លេងតាមភ្លេងយើងនេះជុំជ្រៅលេងថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ជាថ្ងៃជុំសម្រាប់កាយ1 2រាក់ពីយ៉ាយ៉ាយ៉ារាក់ពីយ៉ាអារាក់ពីយ៉ាយ៉ាយ៉ារាក់ពីយ៉ា I love you.